Hello everyone, my name is Tenzin Choenyi and I am from Tibetan private ITI, one of the ex-students. I had studied in spa and hair and beauty courses in 2018 to 2019 batches. It was a great opportunity for me to learn so much and so many things that I learned from this institution. I believe in hard work and luck and passion about my interests. It leads me to got in a beautiful destination job place in Maldives. So I'm currently working in Four Seasons Resorts in Maldives, which is so amazing to work in here. I am so grateful and thankful to all the teachers. They support each one of us to get us our right path in our future. So to all the students who is looking forward to getting together in this field, I would highly recommend you to join in this institution. You all will learn so much more and allow yourself to grow and change. Your future self is waiting. Thank you very much.